Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've partnered up with HelloFresh once again to bring you some savings, some deliciousness, and some convenience. As a new mom, it gets really tough managing time, let alone eating. Some days I barely eat a thing. My kid is my main focus and he takes up a lot of my time. He's very high needs. So HelloFresh has made it easy for me to whip up a fabulous meal in about 30 to 40 minutes and still take care of my little one. The meals are so good, and if you're no stranger to the kitchen, they're a great foundation for you to put your own creative spin on it. If you'd like to try HelloFresh, visit the link below in the description box and enter the code so you can save some money on your first box. The meals are so easy to follow, basically foolproof, and a great way for you to get yourself out of a food rut, especially if you find yourself cooking the same thing over and over, which we all do at some point, even me. I highly recommend you give this service a try. It's very tasty and super convenient. Today, I'm going to make the Hoisin-Glazed Meatballs, which are all beef and very flavorful. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your bag and lay out all of your ingredients just to make sure that they're all there. Then you're going to wash all of your produce, okay? That's very important. So I'm going to bring 2 cups of water to the boil with a little bit of salt. And this is where we're going to cook our rice. So I just pour 2 cups of water into a pot with some salt, put the lid on, and I'm going to just let that come to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to peel and mince my ginger. And you can use a vegetable peeler here like I'm using, or a spoon, whatever you have. And I'm going to chop up the scallions. And basically, I'm just separating the green parts from the white parts. And I'm going to peel off or chop off the stringy ends of my snow peas, and I just stack them on top of each other to make it easier. Now that the water has come to a boil, I'm adding the rice, and I'm just going to give it a really quick stir, put the lid back on, and let that cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make the meatballs. So I'm adding the ginger, an egg, some of the whites of the scallions, some garlic powder, and a little bit of sugar, the panko, some salt and pepper, and you're just going to take your hands and mix that all up. Now, I ended up adding another egg just to make it a little bit more tender. They provided 2, so why not? I went ahead and mixed that all around, make sure everything was evenly combined, and then you're going to take the mixture and form them into 1-inch meatballs. Don't go bigger than that and don't go smaller than that. And I'm going to put them on an oiled baking sheet into a 450 degree oven for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I am cooking my snow peas with about 1.5 teaspoons of vegetable oil and 1.5 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil. I added some salt and pepper, some crushed red pepper, and I'm just sauteing that until it's nice and tender. The meatballs have been in the oven 10 minutes, and I'm going to glaze them with the hoisin sauce. And then you're going to put them back in the oven for an additional 5 minutes. And basically that's it. The rice is done, the meatballs are done, everything comes together, and this is like the fastest meal. It took like 20 minutes, and it was absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to make this again on my own. And that's what I love about HelloFresh. They give you the recipe card, so you can just make this whenever you want to. Just go to the store, get the ingredients, and recreate it at home. And you can always put your own spin on it. And I really hope you guys give this whole entire system a try. It's worth it. It's easy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
This is good. This is very good.
And tastes fresh.
Mm-hmm. Very fresh.
It's late, right?
Mm-hmm. Did you make the meatballs or did it come already?
No, I made the meatballs.
All beef, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Stuff. Thank you.
You kind of destroyed it.
Mm-hmm.
That was a lot. You full? Like you're done full? Or I can eat a few more bites full?
I'm gonna finish the meat. That little sauce up here with that green thing.
Snow peas. Okay.
She make you wanna lick the plate.